Tired of buffering, low-quality streams, and endless searching for a decent movie night? In this quick guide, we're diving into how to correctly stream movies on Stremio for a seamless, high-quality experience, starting with Addon Selection. First, open Stremio and navigate to the Addon section. This is where the magic happens. Focus on installing reliable add-ins like Torrentio, which offers a wide range of torrent sources. Consider integrating Real Debrid for premium links and reduced buffering. Why Euro? It's a game changer. Official Stremio add-ins are also a good starting point. Now, let's optimize your settings. Go to Settings, then Playback. Here, you can tweak your caching options. Increase the cache size to allow Stremio to store more data locally. Reducing buffering. Experiment with pre-buffering levels to see what works best for your internet speed. Finally, in the streaming settings, consider limiting the number of connections. Sometimes, too many connections can overload your network and cause issues. By carefully selecting your add-ins and optimizing these settings, you'll drastically improve your Stremio streaming experience. So get ready to enjoy movie night the way it should be. Why Euro? Uninterrupted and in high quality.